This short video will show you how to solve the equation e to the power z equals -2 in complex analysis, step by step. So in terms of complex numbers, we already know z equals x plus iy, and since this equation is in the form of power function, and we should be aware of several very important power functions in terms of the form of e to the power of I times some value. And since in our equation we have e to the power z equals -2, so we know we should use the third one here. Alright, so now let's just substitute into our equation. So we change the form into e to the power x times e to the power iy equals 2 times -1. And then we change -1 into e to the power I pi. So we can just solve our equation by dividing them into two parts, the real part and imaginary part. For the real part, we have e to the power x equals 2. So we know x is equal to ln 2. Likewise, for the imaginary part, we can figure out y equals pi plus 2k pi, because they have a cycle of 2 pi. Since we have x and y values, we just substitute them back into the z form. So z equals x plus iy, so we substitute x and y, so we get the final answer. And remember, we need to add k belongs to z. So that's it. This is the solution to solve this equation, e to the power z equals -2 in complex analysis.